Hello everyone, so I'm at Burger King right now on Halloween Day and we're going to do an unboxing video of the buffalo chicken fries. So here's the bag and my order number. So we're first going to take the first thing out of the bag. Wait, hold on. Okay. So, here's the fries.
Oh.
This is the person in the background. This is the box. And here we go. Oh, okay. Bag fries.
Oh, I can't forget the bag fries.
Oh, no one got napkins. Okay.
Oh.
So now we're gonna open the box of the buffalo chicken fried chicken wing. There's a little thing for ventilation on your chicken fries. Here, not yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna open it.
Ooh.
And
Spoiler alert, that thing is where you put your sauce.
this thing is where you
Ooh.
put your sauce.
Cheat codes.
Cheat codes.
Cheat codes.
Oh look, watering saucing hole. That sounds sexual.
It should be.
I'm losing my appetite right now. But anyways, that was the unboxing video of the buffalo chicken fries. Stop by your local Burger King to see stuff like that. And thanks for watching and please subscribe.